it always seems impossible until it's done. Mandela, a beacon of hope, dedicated his life to dismantling apartheid in South Africa. His journey, marked by decades of imprisonment, shows the power of perseverance and forgiveness. From his early life to his release, we'll uncover the principles that guided him. Join me as we explore Mandela's journey and draw inspiration to create positive change. Born in Mvezo, young Nelson Mandela's life was steeped in Thembu traditions. Listening to elders' stories of bravery and struggles for freedom ignited his respect for justice and equality. At Fort Hare University, Mandela's understanding of systemic inequalities deepened. Witnessing racial segregation fueled his determination to challenge the status quo and fight for a just society. Mandela's commitment to justice was not passive. It was a call to action. Joining the ANC in 1944, he began his fight against apartheid. Mandela's leadership quickly rose. Inspired by Gandhi, he embraced nonviolent resistance, but saw the need for assertive action against apartheid. Mandela's fight for freedom came at a heavy price. In 1964, he, along with several other key members of the ANC, was arrested and sentenced to life imprisonment for their role in the struggle against apartheid. Despite the harsh conditions of his imprisonment, Mandela's spirit remained unbroken. He refused to be defined by the confines of his cell, transforming his prison sentence into an opportunity for self-reflection and education. Mandela's resilience during his 27 years of imprisonment was extraordinary. He endured hardships with unwavering strength, drawing inspiration from fellow inmates and his belief in his cause. His struggle was for the liberation of an entire nation. He became a symbol of hope for millions worldwide. His image represents the fight against injustice, synonymous with resilience and equality. In 1990, after decades of relentless campaigning, Nelson Mandela walked free from Victor Verster prison. The world watched in awe as he emerged with a message of forgiveness and reconciliation. Mandela knew true healing for South Africa meant acknowledging the past and moving forward together. His ability to forgive and engage in dialogue showed his extraordinary character. This paved the way for a peaceful transition to a democratic South Africa. Mandela's vision for South Africa extended far beyond the dismantling of apartheid. He yearned for a nation where people of all races, creeds, and backgrounds could coexist in harmony. He envisioned a rainbow nation, a tapestry woven together by the rich diversity of its people. To realize this vision, Mandela tirelessly championed the principles of unity, equality, and social justice. He understood that true freedom encompassed not just political rights, but also economic empowerment and access to education. Despite his iconic status, Mandela remained a man of remarkable humility and approachability. He treated everyone, from dignitaries to ordinary citizens, with the same respect and genuine warmth. His ability to connect with people on a personal level endeared him to the nation and solidified his position as a beloved leader. Mandela's leadership was defined by his unwavering principles and strategic acumen. He understood the complexities of the political landscape, both within South Africa and on the international stage. Engaging in dialogue with the apartheid government, even while imprisoned, was a calculated risk that paved the way for democracy. He knew lasting change required dismantling the old and building a new system founded on justice and equality. Mandela's message transcended South Africa, igniting a global movement against apartheid. People from all walks of life joined the fight for justice. Musicians, artists, activists, and politicians raised awareness. The world united behind Mandela's call for freedom and equality. His imprisonment amplified his message, transforming him into a global symbol of resistance. Mandela's experiences instilled in him an unwavering belief in the power of education. He knew true liberation required unshackling the mind. Throughout his imprisonment, he engaged in political discussions. Education was about empowering individuals to become agents of change. He famously said, "Education is the most powerful weapon to change the world." Nelson Mandela's legacy extends far beyond dismantling apartheid. He inspired generations to fight for justice and strive for a more equitable world. His life is a testament to resilience and leadership rooted in service and empathy. Mandela's teachings offer invaluable lessons for our time. He reminds us that the human spirit can triumph over adversity and create lasting change. Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." His words remind us that true empowerment comes from knowledge and courage. Mandela's life showed us the power of resilience, forgiveness, and justice. Let us embody his leadership in our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please consider subscribing for more content celebrating remarkable lives.